Hello everybody, this is Julie Valentin with Quantum Alchemy Fusion. I'm going to just touch briefly on the big transition that's happening in our planetary system that's going to bring more things to light. So Uranus is moving into Gemini on Monday, which is also the 7-7 portal of wisdom, magic, the mystic. So there's a lot of positive things coming through this new shift, though it's going to probably outpicture a whole lot more chaos as we go through this major change. And just remember, we've had several outer planets move in this spring, including Jupiter in Gemini as well, that are bringing a lot of change quite fast. It's unusual for all these outer planets to be moving in basically the same time frame. So it then initiates a lot of change. Uranus will be in Gemini for 8 years. So it's going to be an 8-year process now as we go through Uranus as a revolutionary, innovative planet. And it's also all about divine disruption. So disrupting the hold of the cults, the religion, the churches, and reclaiming our divinity, our sovereignty over the next 8 years is all supported through this transition of Uranus. It's going to help us break through because it's aligning in Gemini through the mind, through communication, through technology, and helping us get our nervous system stabilized, which has been a bugger over the last few years with so much change. It's also the spark in the evolution of the next step of moving into the quantum mind, the quantum field, knowing how to use and access that field to your benefit, leaving the matrix hive mind behind as more and more of that matrix is falling apart. What is some of the breakthroughs to expect? New artificial intelligence. The old intelligence is breaking out of the matrix, it's being dissolved. That's what's been doing a lot of the mind control. The new artificial intelligence, when we step in our sovereignty, and the key is we need to be in our sovereignty, and it will work with us in benefit. There's new educational systems coming and new ways of sharing wisdom. There'll be upgrades to our intuitive processing systems as we peel off more of the crud of the matrix influence, which we cover a lot in our Decoded Seeing Through the Illusion of the Matrix. It opens up the doorway to our intuition and being able to tap into our super consciousness, our higher knowing, and then knowing our truth. It upgrades us through seeing through the veil. So we're going to see a deeper collapse of the media distortions and outdated belief systems. The media is completely controlled through matrix controllers, elements, which is also deep dived into our Dakota class. And it's all about bringing truth and clarity and soul integrity to the forefront. So we are rebooting that 0 point area through this Uranus transition, especially because it's aligning with such an important activation portal. So we're crossing into unknown territory. The old is starting to dissolve at an even faster and higher level. So stay fluid, stay awake, stay hydrated, be in nature, and stay in alignment with your true self. So this is Julie Valentine with Quantum Alchemy Fusion. Bye for now.